guys, long time. My God, I feel like I haven't talked to anybody in so long. I've been so sick. I did film a few clips of me talking about like tips and stuff, but I had a really bad stomach flu. I'm still getting over it. I'm still not well, but like 90% better than I was. Holy shit, man, it was so bad. It was so bad. Just vomiting all day long for 3 days. I was vomiting. No drinking, no eating, just like little sips of Gatorade that would throw up later. Phlegm. Mostly that came up was mucus, stringy, disgusting mucus, and foam, and just the gut rot, the gut pain and rot that you feel. It's a bad one, and I hear it's going around, so you guys be careful. Wash your hands, use sanitizer. Fuck, it's prime season right before the weather changes, right? It's always like this. Anyway, so I feel kind of human today a little bit, even though I'm not feeling still well. I smoked. I haven't smoked since like Saturday, because I was so ill. And I don't know why, I just didn't, the thought of it made me feel so sick that I didn't want to even try, because I was already throwing up. I didn't need anything to aggravate it even more. Ginger ale didn't work, Gatorade didn't help. Nothing was going down, nothing was staying down. And any kind of, even the thought of anything solid or food related made me want to just like, even more. So, like this was even though I knew, medically I knew that it would help my nausea, it would help my gut pain. Because you can't really take anything if you have like, a stomach thing. There's nothing to really take. You can't like, why do I get so spitty when I'm talking? It's only on camera because I think I'm nervous because my tongue right now is like all curled up on the corners. Can you see it? Like the sides are all like scrunched up. Like I'm like, yeah, I don't know why I'm so nervous. So I said, you know what? It's time. Let me try it. Because last couple of days I've been actually eating. I made some soups, some like just mostly bland, not bland, but good, but not spicy. Like, you know, everything I like is spicy. So for me, that was hard not adding all the chili peppers and the spice and all that. But I still ate some wonton soup. I made some fermented soybean soup, which is fermented stuff is good for your gut. So I don't have any kimchi, so I was eating that with a bit of rice that I made. Rice helped a lot, I think. A little bit of rice, not a lot. You don't want to irritate or aggravate the issue when your gut's already upset. You don't be loading on like a bunch of heavy, you know, it's just too much. So a little bit of like porridge, almost rice that I made. What else did I eat that helped? I think. What did not help? Stupid me. I bought little tangerines when I finally went to the market yesterday to get some like food because I had nothing to really make. What was I saying? Oh fuck! I am baked. Thank you. Some relief. It is helping the pain. Wow, it's still there. But it's definitely helping, which I'm so grateful for. It's closer. So, I already reheated and I have a coffee today. So I'm like, okay, I tried having a coffee yesterday a little bit in the morning. Maybe I hadn't eaten enough like over the span of days to build up enough of a layer lining in my stomach to protect my gut from the coffee, but because I've never really been sensitive to coffee, like I love it. I'm obviously addicted to caffeine. It's my headaches, which I couldn't take anything for because nothing helps with gut pain, and I wasn't going to take Tylenol because that could still affect my gut. So then yesterday when I tried taking a little bit of coffee, oh my god, I was in so much pain. Like, why did I do that? And then here I am today. But I'm trying a mixture. See, I'm trying new different things because every day I think I'm feeling a little stronger. And but oh, you guys, when you're sick, potato soup. Well, Asian style potato soup. It's just like vegetable broth with potatoes and a little bit of sesame seed oil, and it's so good. And the potatoes are so like mild and soft, and it's just easy to eat without a lot of like, you know, chewing. Oh my god, it's so good. I need dentures. I just heat up my coffee for the first time, because you know I am every morning. I heat up my coffee about like 800 times. I heat up the first time. I said, oh, it feels nice to have a little bit of my routine back. Because every morning, coffee reheated multiple times, sitting out here having a smoke, playing with my dog. You know, it's the same kind of routine. And this, like, fucking, I couldn't have any coffee. Like, I just couldn't. The thought of it, ugh. So, anyways, here I am. And thanks for waiting patiently for the next video. If you have been, I appreciate you guys. I still love all the comments and the hearts and all the likes and everything. And please subscribe. And I'm definitely gonna be posting more stuff. And I think I'm gonna start posting more like vlog stuff. I think that's kind of fun. Even though I don't really do anything. Maybe that's not very fun. I think it's more fun just opinions on shit. I have been going off on the reaction channel, not off, on the reaction channels, off, watching all these, like, not all these, just one right now. Priscilla. Why am I waving? She's been doing all these reactions on Alexandra Rodriguez. I can't even speak. See, when I'm nervous like this, my mouth fills up with spit, and I can't even talk because the spit is so wet. Like it. Hold on, I gotta throw a ball for my dog. This is a one-woman show, you guys. She's also drinking, so she's pretty hard to grab. Why didn't I smoke sooner? Oh my god, I could have been like helping my symptoms rather than agonizing over them. Fuck, sleeping, you guys, has been like a fucking nightmare. I can't get comfortable. You can't lie on your back because it doesn't settle the stomach. It just feels very exposed, and it makes it feel even more like irritated because, I don't know. You know what I mean? So I try to sleep on my side, and they recommend doing that when you have stomach issues. They sleep on your left side if you have nausea, especially because it just settles the stomach a little bit more. It's closer to gravity. That your stomach's on your left side, right under here, and so like for you to under here. So, oh, pushing that hurt. Anyway, so it's closer to gravity, and it helps settle the stomach more. If you lie on your right side, it's still better than your back, but you're pulling you're just kind of irritating the settlement of the acids and the enzymes, all that, like, ugh, fuck. Anyways, nothing around my, oh my god, going out, I had to take my dog out after a couple of days. Like I couldn't even like wearing anything around my waist that's tied or jeans or no, don't put anything, no pressure, nothing on my belly. Everything I'm wearing is like so baggy. I lost 7 pounds, which yay, it's no, not yay, not yay. I gained 2 back. Anyways, just hanging out with my Beets and me. Home Beets. Okay, I gotta go.